What do you guys have?
Milk. Oh, a little baby kitty.
What you have, Palmer?
A bottle.
You have a bottle? And then the little baby kitty going cross-eyed because you getting that milk.
So sweet.
The little baby. Gigi, what you tea? What you tea, Gigi? What do you want to? What do you think they should name it?
No clue. It's a boy. So.
No, he's Oreo.
Oreo?
Yes.
What about Nato?
Nato and Oreo.
Stormy.
Stormy. Oh, look at his ears twitching. He's a cutie little kitty boy. You guys are good kitty mommies.
No, not all three. Us. Praise King.
Yes, I am. Kitty mommy.
You're the best kitty mommy.
Can I feed it?
Look at that little kitty.
No, not right. Just like his eye.
What you have there?
Kitty.
A kitty.
Yeah.
You are a good kitty mommy. He's a tiny little guy, huh? Let me see him. Oh, look at the little guy.
Oh.
He gonna scratch you. He gonna play with you. Get him.
I think he wants a toy.
Get him. Oh, get him. Should we get a toy?
Give me the toy.
Paws. You're biting his paws.